today's video, I will show how to use the liquid glass style in your email designs in Figma and how to export HTML email templates using Marka email generated Figma plugin. Figma recently added a liquid glass style, which we're going to use in our emails. So let's start with the liquid glass button. First, create a text layer, use the Georgia font in italic and adjust the text settings. Then create a new frame as a container, select the frame and switch to auto layout mode. With auto layout, the button will fit the text label inside the button. Next, let's add some liquid glass styles. You can find them in the right sidebar in Figma. Link to the file will be in the description, so you can easily copy-paste styles to your design. Next, let's create a container for text and buttons with the liquid glass effect with the same style. To copy style to your new frame, you can use right-click context menu in Figma. Now let's create a logo with the liquid glass effect to the top of your email design. Create a new frame, add some corner radius to turn it into a circle, then add logo inside the frame. As a final touch, we need to add a gradient on top to make the logo easier to see. To do that, create a new rectangle with gradient. This is our final result. For the other parts of the email, I will use components from the Marka plugin email design system. File with all components will be available for free this month, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel. To export HTML email template from Figma, install Marka email generated Figma plugin, and then run the plugin, select your template, and click Preview and Export. Thank you for watching. All links will be in the description.